If you've lost access to your Fifth Third Bank account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Fifth Third Bank website. Go to the official Fifth Third Bank website. Look for the sign in option and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Choose Alternative Recovery Options. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions or using your registered email address. Step 4. Verify your identity. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Fifth Third Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for further assistance.